Hi to everyone. My name is N. Satya. I am from first MBCS class. My roll number is 34. Today I want to discuss about the topic of data types. Data types. Data types definition is data types specifies type, size, memory, address of an identifiers like variable. We can store integer, floating, character, etc. Data types are classified into three types. First one is basic data type are also called primary data types, and second one is derived data types, and third one is user defined data types. Data types in C. First one is primary data types or basic data type or characters, floating, integer, void, and second one is user defined data types or enum type definition, and third one is derived data types pointer, arrays, structure, union, and also example of data types is this picture. Integer, and this data type specifies only numerical values without decimal. These integer variables are declared with keyword int. This is the table of integer. First we read the headings. First, type, size, range, specifies. Type. Type in integer are called sign short integer. Size is 2 and range is minus 32 768 2 plus 32 767, and specifies is xt. And second in type is short integer. Sign short integer. Size is 2 and range is minus 3 2768 plus 32 767, and specifies is xt. And third in type is long integer or signed long integer. Size is 4 and range is 2 147 or 483 648 2 plus 147 483 647 are specifies is xt. And 14 type is unsigned integer or unsigned short integer. Size is 2 and range is 0 to 65535, and specifies is xu. And last in the box is unsigned long integer. Size is 4 and range is 0 to 4294 9672 295, and specifies is xu. And second one is float. This float data types allows variables to store decimal values and integer values with single precision. And float means it stores integer part and fractions with single precision. It declared with keyword float. And what is double? Double means it stores integer part and fractions with a double precision. It declared with keyboard double. This is the table of floating point data types. First, we read the main points of this table is type, size, range, and digits of precision. And first one is float. Float in size is 4 and range is 3.4.10 power minus 38 to 3.4.10 power 38, and digits of precision is 7. And second one is double. Double in size is 8 and range is 1.7.10 power minus 308 to 1.7.10 power 308, and digits of precision is 15. And third one is long double and size is 10, and range of the double long double is 3.4.10 power minus 4932 to 3.4.10 power 4932, and digits of precision of long double is 18. This is the example of floating point, and this is the example. We can see this example and we understand very easily. And the next one is character data types. What is character data types? Character data types means it is used to store character data enclosed between the single quotes. These characters are in the ASUII format and table. Data types size range. Data types is character size 1 range 128 to 127 and example of the character is character s is equal to a, character s is equal to 9 and character s is equal to greater than. And also this is the example of character data type. And the next one is word. Word means valueless. Word is a mainly used for functions. Word means this means does not returns any value. And basic data types are also called as standard, fermented, built-in, primitive, primary, in and examples of integer, character, float were mainly used. And the second one is derived data types. What is derived data types? Derived data types are the data types derived from basic data types. So the derived data types are function, arrow, pointer, reference. Reference are also called as string. And the first topic of derived data types is arrows. What is arrows? Arrows is a collection of consecutive memory locations which stores homogeneous data types, elements with single variables name. And this is the process of arrows. And this is the picture of arrows. And the second one is string. What is string? String is a group of characters enclosed by between double quotes is called string. Character st is equal to spaces. Spaces means gap and this is the process of string and this is the picture of string. And the next one is function. Function is a self-contained block of statements with perform a specific task. And the fourth one is pointer. What is pointer? Pointer is variable which stores address of another variable of same data types. This is the process of pointer. This is the last topic of data types is user defined data types. What is user defined data types? The data types defined are created by the user using basic data types. So these are called as user defined data types. The following are the user defined data types. First topic of user defined data types is structure. What is structure? Structure is a collection of heterogeneous data types elements and this is the process of structure in C and this is the example of structure. And the second one is union. What is union? Union are the collection of heterogeneous data types elements to structure variables. Union variables are occupies less memory and this is the process of union and this is the example of union. And the next one is type definition in C. What is type definition? It is the user defined data types used to name a new data types with existing data types and symptom of type definition is type definition existing data types new data types and this is the example of data type. And the next one is E-number data types in C. What is E-number data types in C? E-number data types, this is user defined data types to assign constant values, particular values, and this is the process of E-number data types and this is the picture of the E-number example. Thank you for giving these wonderful opportunities to me.